Conceptual design is taking a design brief into a visual representation. This phase of the design process involves exploring and developing various concepts, considering the design brief's requirements, and determining the most suitable approach. The conceptual design stage is crucial for defining the look and feel of a project, and it helps to set the direction for the project's design development. Brainstorming. The first step in the conceptual design is brainstorming ideas. Designers will gather all the necessary information during this stage to create a design brief. They'll consider the project's purpose, target audience, and constraints. Research and analysis. Once the ideas have been gathered, the designer will conduct research and analysis to better understand the project's requirements. This stage involves studying the market, competition, and the client's preferences and needs. Sketching and modeling. The next step is to turn the ideas into visual representations. This stage typically involves sketching, prototyping, and testing various concepts. The designer will create rough sketches or 3D models to help visualize and refine the concepts as needed. Refinement. The final stage of the conceptual design process is refinement. The designer will take the best concepts and refine them further, paying close attention to detail and making any necessary adjustments. The result of this stage is a visual representation of the design concept that meets the design brief's requirements and the client's expectations. The importance of conceptual design. Conceptual design is an important stage in the design process for several reasons. Here are a few. Helps define the project. Conceptual design helps define the project's direction and sets the tone for the rest of the design process. It helps to ensure that the project's goals are aligned with the client's expectations and that everyone is on the same page. Saves time and money. By spending time on conceptual design, designers can identify potential problems and make changes before the design is fully executed. This saves time and money in the long run by reducing the need for costly revisions and changes. Enhances collaboration. Conceptual design is a collaborative process that involves communication between the designer and the client. This stage helps to ensure that the client is involved in the design process and that their needs and preferences are considered. How to approach conceptual design. Start with a design brief. Before starting the conceptual design process, it's essential to have a clear design brief. This document should outline the project's goals, target audience, and constraints. Be open-minded. Conceptual design is a creative process that involves exploration and experimentation. Openness and willingness to consider different approaches and ideas are essential. Communicate with the client. Good communication is crucial during the conceptual design. Keep the client informed.